Mbia muno murikeito Sara Nyaranki ontita magega yaba governor korwa state county mirongo enena isano gotianwe rukurobo koreri asaba nanchi bono nigo emiroberio yo kubatiania aba senator na baigo abachumbe ogendrete abu gosomurobiro rachiko korekana tariki isano na isato eikegocha achinga kiechboigo nigo asegeti ya Kasarani memuchu Nairobi emiroberio yo kumutiania umurayo mochore wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto egendrete goikiraniwa asenonya nabo ekiombe keria getenenete okoyena nwa kuburai gekora na Joseph Kinywa batebire na barabunani go bagenderete ne miroberio yokoyene kyabuna muroberio ino chigoikiraniwa asenchira ebwenerete orbote uraso boimet gategona twariganire no murikeito Vincent Onyancha
Maiga yoko na chago ikurwane kigambiro gya Suprema emirobeli yoko motiani omurayo mochole bwense ya Kenya Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigo ebwatetense omoye gaora kolekana segiti kia Moi Sports Club Kasarani imeye county ya Nairobi Ruto ni garati ani guno mulikyo monebwe kigambere kanene gati ye chinsenyo chamambye go ikaisana isato chemo baso osio mona chebi no monere ditatsimata kaome aseboy go rabeli tukuli mutumoko ase aba Kenya.
The date of the swearing in will be a public holiday of general observance throughout the territory of the Republic of Kenya. The process of the swearing in event and the inauguration ceremony are elaborately set out under both the Constitution and the statute law. The President-elect shall take the oath of office as administered by the Chief Registrar of the Judiciary before her ladyship, the Chief Justice. As per the law, this must take place any time between the hours 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Thereafter, the President-elect will also be sworn in.
Omujigo yura kolkan stariki komne satori tukule Jumaine wiki gocha nigo chiri buchi abantu bakagergo ikirana segeti gya Kasarani gati yabona baraye merongen na batano kurwa chinse chesko.
Would like to inform the nation that the swearing in ceremony and inauguration of the new administration will be held in fidelity with Article 141 of the Constitution, being the first Tuesday following yesterday's decision by the Supreme Court upholding the declaration of the EIBC. That date is Tuesday 13th September 2022, and the ceremonies shall be held at Moi International Stadium, Kasarani.
Omubunge Odagoret South John Kihare nigate birubune mirubulya benne nigegendre tukiranigwa nagote abuna nigo rabeli tukuli netarigo cha saba Kenya boka golende ensengima.
Ni kweli haya ni matayarisho yanayotayarisha siku ya tarehe 13 ambayo itakuwa ni kuapishwa ama kula kiapo kwa rais mpya. Ukweli usemwe ni kwamba kuna kazi mingi ambayo inahitajika kufanyika kati ya leo na tarehe 13. Kwa hivyo hii kamati haitalala. Wale ambao wamepata nafasi ya ama wametwikwa majukumu hapa wako na majukumu makubwa zaidi na ni watu wengi. Kwa hivyo hii ni siku kubwa, sio kwa Wakenya tu, bali kwa bara zima la Afrika na pia dunia nzima iweze kuona kwamba kunayo nchi ambayo ni kielelezo cha amani katika kona hii ya Afrika.
Chingaki cha sebunge ye 13 ababunge chimisato emerongene na kyanda gati yabo n'abasubati emerongene na batano babere boiga ababunge 12 benne mbachikotianigwa chingaki cha abaseneta emeronge 5 no monda batano babere boigomba tianiwe gati yabo n'abaseneta benne emeronge bere abaseneta na abunga abo nigo baratianigu tariki sana isato omuti nyoyoga lituko liaramisi.
Pursuant to Gazette Notice number 10/528 dated today 5th September 2022 and Article 126(1) of the Constitution on the appointment of the date of the first sitting of the Senate, in preparation for the swearing in of the senators, we would like to invite all senators to pre-swearing in sessions which we will hold.
Reporter ya Ndizi TV, Retirene Nchenkoro kwa Vincent